Assalamualaikum, dear students. Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIVS Home School. I am Sabrina Hawk, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Idol English Version School, Day Shift. Today, I am going to take a science class for class 1 student on the based on chapter 16. The name of the chapter is the weather, and this is the second part of the chapter. Dear students, take your textbook in your hand. Open page number 102 and follow the class with your book. So, dear students, let's start the class. In our last class, we will read about the weather, and today we will discuss about seasons. Our first topic is what is season? Months of the year when one type of weather is seen on most days is called seasons. We will discuss first about summer season. Look, this is the picture. The boy is feeling hot, that's why he don't wear the t-shirt and he is lying on an open place. When it is very hot and sunny for many days, it is summer. The months of March, April, May and June are the summer seasons in Bangladesh. Now we will discuss about our next season, that is monsoon or rainy seasons. Look the picture. It is raining. The girl and the woman is used to umbrella to let their clothes dry, and they are waiting. There are some animals, they are waiting in the rain. When it is rain heavily for many days, it is monsoon. The months of July, August, September and October are the monsoon seasons in Bangladesh. Our next season is winter season. Look, this is the picture of winter season. The man is wearing some woolen dress for the cold. When it is very cold for many days, it is winter. The winter month is in Bangladesh are November, December, January and February. Dear students, now we will discuss about the next page. We get cotton from cotton plants and wool from sheep. Now, from this chapter we have to remember some points. First point is weather changes every day. Next point is a day can be sunny, cloudy or windy. Our third point is hot days for a few months of the year is summer season. Our last point is why we try to keep ourselves comfortable every season. That means according to our seasons we will wear the dress we need. In summer we will wear cotton dress, in monsoon or rainy season we will wear gumboot and raincoat, and in winter we will wear the woolen dress. Now we will solve some objective type question. That means take the correct answer or MCQ. Dear students, our first question is weather changes every month, week, day. Just before we have discussed this, weather changes every day. Then we have to put tick mark on day. The sun shines brightly on a rainy day, windy day and sunny day. The sun shines brightly on a sunny day. That means we will put tick mark on sunny day. Our third sentence is we get cotton from grass, cotton plant, big trees. Here the information in your book that we get cotton from cotton plants. That means we have to put tick on cotton plant. Last one is when it is very cold for many days, it is monsoon, summer, winter. When it is very cold for many days, dear student, it will be winter. That means we have to put tick on the winter. Dear student, this is your homework number 12 for annual term. You have to do MCQ, that means take the correct answer as your MCQ. This 4 is your homework and you have to submit on Sunday. Dear students, I have finished my today's topic. Hope you have understood. Read the chapter properly, learn all the topics whatever I have given in your science classes, and practice more and more. Do all the SW and submit regularly, because you will get your CT and SBA mark on the basis on your performance of your SW. Abide by your parents. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.